These roasted spiced glazed nuts are so delicious, and they're really easy to prepare. Melt the butter in a large pan on medium-low heat. Add the maple syrup, followed by the spices and the fresh rosemary. You can use dried rosemary if you don't have fresh. Stir well to combine. For this recipe, you could use cashews, pecans, macadamias, or walnuts. We're using almonds. Let's add them in. You could also use a mix of nuts. Mix well so all the nuts become coated in the mixture. At this point, your home will start to smell amazing. Transfer the nuts to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Flatten them out and spread them around. Roast in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Take out the tray and mix the nuts around so they roast evenly. Now roast for another 10 minutes. Mix them around again when you take them out, then let them cool for at least 15 minutes. If you like this video, please share it and give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. Once the nuts have cooled, separate them with your fingers. These roasted nuts are perfect as a snack or as a gift. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'd also like this one.